Accu-Router Incorporated is pleased to present the Series 3C shuttle table model. The two-shuttle table design is a very desirable alternative to a twin or single table machine for many applications. This Series 3C is equipped with two 6-foot by 12.5 foot by 2.5 inch thick aluminum jig plate tables. Each is powered by a massive 4-inch diameter ball screw in a full 4-axis configuration. Each ball screw has a unique central roller support structure designed by Accu-Router to minimize screw whipping at higher feed rates. There are several highlights to the Accu-Router shuttle table system. Operationally, there are two process modes. Normally, one table will be in the full outboard position for load-unload, while the other table is in an active machining cycle. This pattern will alternate each table in the machining phase. A 3-zone safety match system provides full perimeter guarding, which is interfaced to the machine control. If an operator or third party steps on the mat associated with the table being machined, the system will immediately go into feed hold. The other process mode involves both tables being electronically linked together to create one 6-foot by 25-foot table for long part machining. The shuttle table design on the common machine base enables all spindles and drills mounted on the bridge to have full travel over the entire 6-foot by 25-foot work surface. This is not the case with side-by-side twin tables. The ball screws and ways on the base and bridge are all covered. Accu-Router uses THK precision linear ways with 4 ball-bearing tracks for optimal alignment and rigidity. The Series 3C is being supplied with a roller assist hold-down feature to facilitate the machining of stacked aluminum sheets attached to a pallet carrier. The machine tables are equipped with air pressurized flotation balls which make easy the task of loading and unloading heavy pallets of the stacked aluminum sheets. A unique closed-loop coolant and chip collection system is being used with this Accu-Router. A program command activates the flow of pressurized coolant into the cut. The aluminum chips and spent coolant are then vacuumed up with the high-efficiency collection system and taken through a pre-separator. The chips are collected and the coolant is recirculated for continued machine use. The combination of this system, the roller assist option, and the rugged stationary bridge design allow for up to a 100 inches per minute feed rate through a half-inch stack of aluminum. This Series 3C has an XR15 15 horsepower premium high-speed spindle with 2 lower ceramic bearings. The spindle is liquid chilled with an auxiliary chiller unit and lubricated by oil mist. This American-made spindle is superbly balanced and will feature extended bearing life far beyond inexpensive air-cooled units. 2 1-horsepower DeSutter electric drills are available for small diameter holes. The brain power for the Accu-Router shuttle table system is the GE Fanuc 18MA CNC control. This is the flagship control for Fanuc for the mid-90s. Numerous new software features are standard, such as a 5-page alarm history, an operator message center to minimize shift startup problems, an operator help key which provides on-screen detail on alarms, operating instructions, and parameters. The ability to display the ladder architecture in its entirety, a built-in servo motor sine waveform to precisely set all servos for synchronous motion, and a global command function for mass editing of CNC programs. The 18MA control is interfaced to AC digital servo drive motors whose processing speed helps to assure perfection with square corner and radius cuts, even at high feed rates. The electrical enclosures are dust-tight and contain 4-digit numbers tagged on all connecting wires for ease of troubleshooting. A major part of the Accu-Router story begins after a machine is shipped. Ongoing training, application, and service support are enthusiastically offered to all users. Lifetime access to our 2 factory-based training schools is available without extra charge. Our service technician staff brings extensive experience and expertise to each Accu-Router user. Our motto is, just ask our customers. It reflects a commitment we take very seriously. The Series 3C shuttle table Accu-Router can address your production needs. For more information, call or contact Accu-Router Incorporated today.